No, I'm not being dramatic. These beauty routines literally changed my life. What's up, welcome back to my channel. It's Mal. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is going to be fun because I really want to share with you guys some beauty routines that have recently changed my life. What I love about this is it's a practice, it's a ritual, it's like a routine, and I feel like that is something that anybody can adapt. And I'm telling you honestly, doing these things on a weekly basis have changed the way everything looks for me, and I'm so excited about sharing them because I feel like it's something that anybody can add into their routine. So while I do this, I'm going to be putting my hair extensions in. Okay, so let's jump right into this. Number one on my list is to take my supplements. Recently, I've started taking a iron supplement, and I cannot tell you how happy I am about taking this. My hair looks fuller and longer, my nails are growing healthy again, my brows are looking full, my lashes are looking full. I have a few other supplements that I take. I take fish oils like omega 369, I take vitamin D every day. If you want the full list, I'll just put it right here on the screen of what I take, but you gotta kind of figure out what's best for you. It can be trial and error, but honestly, taking my supplements every day has been literally so amazing for me. I have way more energy, I feel cuter, I look cuter. It's the best. The next part of my beauty routine that has made a huge difference for me is doing my hair. And that actually brings me to today's sponsor of this video, because I'm going to be telling you guys all about my hair routine while I install my Lashey hair clip-ins. Super excited about this, you guys. I have two different sets of clip-ins here. I have a 24-inch set of these gorgeous ones that are a little bit darker with some brighter highlights. And then I have this 22-inch set that's just a teeny bit shorter. These are both in a body wave texture, and this has some warmer like caramel highlights with a really pretty brown color. So because I have a balayage going on, I'm gonna mix these two together, and I think it's gonna create the most gorgeous look. A little bit about Lashey hair, you guys. These are full seamless clip-ins. You actually really would only need one set to create the full perfect gorgeous hair of your dreams. But because I am picky, I decided to get two sets because I just want to make sure the color matches perfectly. The clip-ins come just like this. They're super seamless. So there's no like band, it just will blend perfectly against your hair, which I'm super excited about. And we have these clips that are nice and hidden and discreet, but very sturdy. I love this color. I think this is gonna be so gorgeous. When my hair was all dark, I used to always select like this kind of color because it would give me a natural highlight without having to dye my hair. With each set, you're gonna get a total of 7 clip-ins. I also will mention that all of the links for this hair are down below in the description, and thank you so much to Lashey Hair for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna go ahead and install this 3-piece at the back. I feel like hair is so important in establishing your beauty routine. For me, every Sunday is hair wash day, and I swear the feeling of putting extensions in is the best. So yeah, I have my hair wash day. That has been such a game changer in my routine. I'm gonna be honest, before I used to kind of wait too long in between wash day, and I would just start feeling so just grumpy and like frumpy from not washing my hair. And I never realized that that's what I was doing. Like I was literally making myself miserable because I don't know, you try to hold on to a hairstyle, or you just feel like, oh, like it's too much work, I'll do it another day, and you just keep pushing it off and pushing it off. That's definitely what I used to do when it came to washing my hair. Now, anytime that I get like sort of an icky feeling, or if I'm just feeling like just blah and like my mood is down, I will literally just say, okay, I'm gonna go wash my hair. Hair for women just really affects us in so many ways. Like my hair is kind of like 70% of my getting ready. If my hair is done, then I feel like I don't really need to do much. So yeah, having your hair done and having a wash day routine is so key. And with that, it's not just a wash day routine, but it's also everything that comes after. I do not let myself just wash my hair and leave it. I make sure that I set aside at least an hour or so to style my hair afterwards. Today, my styling routine includes putting in clip-ins, but it doesn't always have to be this. It could simply be styling my hair curly, doing a full like blowout routine. Of course, my natural hair is curly, so I feel like it just helps to mimic a natural hair pattern, and it kind of stops me from having to do my hair too often. But it looks so good. I'm gonna keep putting these in. I really like how this color is turning out so far. I feel like the blend is gonna be so good. What I was saying in my last point kind of leads me into the next one, which is having a routine, having a set schedule for doing my beauty maintenance. For this, I like doing an everything shower. Once a week, when I wash my hair, I have to do an everything shower. Everybody does an everything shower. I think like you probably already do it, you just don't call it that. But essentially it's a shower where you shave, scrub, wash your entire body, wash your hair. I like shave my face, I do a full body exfoliation. Everything's getting done in that shower. And I personally love doing an everything shower because it's my way of just kind of resetting for the week. I actually watch a few different girls on YouTube and I love watching their everything shower routines because I feel like it really encourages me. I feel like a mermaid. This hair looks so good. I'm gonna put this one at the back. Okay, now number 5 is actually probably one of the biggest ones. I've been practicing waking up 20 minutes earlier than normal every single day just so that I can have a few moments to like think before I start the day, get ready, have a couple extra minutes to like just, I don't know, just do nothing, just zone out, look at my phone. Honestly, usually I try not to look at my phone, but whatever it is that I want to do for that time, I just use it as like my little me time in the morning. And honestly, 20 minutes is all I need. It makes me feel so much better for the day. I really enjoy my time by myself. I love being by myself. And usually if I'm by myself, I'm getting ready. I just love getting ready. Like I find it so fun. I feel like the rest of my day is always better when I put time into myself. And it doesn't have to be getting ready, like glamming yourself up, but for me, that's how I pour into myself. So those extra 20 minutes every day have been really nice. It's just been a really nice change for me to kind of do something for me. This hair literally feels so soft. This is 100% human hair. It feels so soft and pretty. Okay, so number 6 on the list is kind of something that takes me back to middle school days because I definitely used to do this when I was a kid, but picking out my outfit the night before is something that I love doing nowadays. And actually it's helped me so much with my like getting ready routine and just feeling more put together, especially when I have something important to do or if I know I'm gonna be in like a time crunch that day. But yeah, picking out my outfits has been literally so fun. Like for example, yesterday, I remembered that I just got this adorable little set in the mail and I was like, oh, I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. And I like put it out, I laid it out there so that when I got up this morning, after I took my shower, I didn't have to think about it. I was like, oh yeah, I know what I'm gonna wear. Sometimes I get like overwhelmed by like what I feel like wearing, which is so silly, but I really do like go by my vibes. And if I'm in a time crunch and I just don't have the time, I'll start getting super overwhelmed and like flustered, like, oh my God, am I wearing what I feel like? Or am I just wearing this because I'm in a hurry? And it just becomes this whole thing in my mind. I'm gonna finish it off with just a couple of the singles at the front here. The reason that I love clip-ins is because I don't have time sometimes. Like I don't have time to be in the salon. I don't have time to figure out what I'm doing with my hair. I just want something that's gonna be simple, easy, and make me feel beautiful. I think that's what all of us women want. I don't want beauty to be so complicated. So no longer going and getting my beauty services done as much as I can has helped me with my beauty routine so much. And when I say that, I'm talking specifically about getting my nails done. I have decided that I don't care about getting my nails done anymore. I'm not going to the salon, I'm not doing it, I'm not gonna sit there for an hour getting my nails done. I just feel like I'm constantly in this loop of wanting to get my nails done, needing to get a fill. Needing to get my nails done, needing to get a fill. So I unsubscribed from it and now I just have my natural nails. And I just use regular polish. Right now I do need to fix my polish. It's like all chipping and coming off. But my trick for this is I always just do a natural polish. I do something that's like a nudie pink that looks good even as it's starting to wear off. And then I just have some nail polish remover and I take it off and I redo it and it takes me literally 10 minutes. I can do one coat and it looks great. I don't care if it starts chipping or fading away because it's not that noticeable. I know it's not that fun. Like I love when the girls get fun nails, but I just don't have the time. I think for the very front of my hair, I'm gonna do 2 pieces like here because the color is gonna blend really nicely. And I'm gonna do one of these pieces right here. I'm backcombing the root of my hair just a little bit because I love keeping my clip-ins in for like a week. And I feel like it just helps them to stay secure really nicely if you just backcomb them a teeny tiny bit. This little one piecer right in here. That is so pretty. The other one that kind of leads me into that with hair, nails, and everything like that is doing my own lashes. I've started doing my own lashes at home. I mean, actually I've been doing it for the past like, I would say, year and a half. And there's actually another reason why I love doing my lashes at home so much, and it's kind of been my little project that I've been working on that I'll share more about soon. But just know, if you see me with lashes on, I did them myself. I don't go to the salon anymore. Look at how good these lashes look. I just did these this morning. It took me 10 minutes. I heard that it's a recession indicator, the fact that we're doing so much beauty ourselves, but I've always been a do-it-yourself girl. I've always loved doing my own beauty maintenance at home. I just feel like it's so much more rewarding. In the long run, you're gonna be so happy that you learned how to do it yourself. That's better. I got another socket so I could have everything plugged in. I don't know why I didn't think of that. I was just being lazy, but now you can really see the full effect of the waves that I put in this hair. It looks so pretty. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I feel like those 7 points, honestly, have really changed my beauty routine in the last year. I've gotten more serious about like scheduling things, and I think it all comes down to actually being disciplined, which is so crazy that discipline like seeps into every part of our lives. But for me, being disciplined with my beauty routine has helped me to feel better every day. And once you have that like in motion, you just don't want to stop. Oh my God, the other thing that I feel like is unofficially on the list, but not really on the list, is working with your natural. That's something that I've also recently tried to really embrace. And I feel like it's made the biggest difference in cutting time down in my beauty routine. So for example, I used to always straighten my hair. Now I just straighten my hair when I feel like it, like once in a while, maybe once a month, and I'll just like rock it out for that week. But before, I used to straighten my hair religiously. And do you know how much time I was spending straightening my hair? Also frying my hair, and to be honest, I don't think my hair even looked its best. My problem was that I always didn't like the length of my curly hair. Like I wanted it to be longer. I love long hair. So the solution was just to get curly extensions. And that also kind of is how I feel about my nails. Like when I just started embracing my natural nails and taking care of my natural nails, it's like, this is so much easier. And honestly, I think it looks better on me personally. Like I think my nails look better just being like this. So yeah, that's what I think. I think embrace your natural, be disciplined with your beauty routine, treat it like it's a freaking job, because it kind of is. Why are women like this? Okay, yeah, this hair looks so good. I feel like for a while we forgot that clip-ins were so good. Like we literally forgot about them, and I'm so happy to have them back because this has been the easiest way for me to keep my hair looking really beautiful. And it's so hassle-free, and I can do it when I want, which makes me happy. So this is the finished look. I really love how my hair looks. I think this looks so pretty. This is a great example of doing your own beauty routine. I obviously took a little while because I was yapping with you guys while I was doing it, but honestly, in general, I feel like just doing your own beauty maintenance is gonna be such a lifesaver in your routine. I think the most important thing is to have a structure and be disciplined with your beauty routine, and also to do as much of it that you can yourself. And that's exactly why I love my clip-in extensions, and I love all my DIY beauty. So if you love my hair and you wanna check out Lashey Hair, then I'll link everything down below in the description bar. If you have any specific beauty routines that you love doing that have really changed your life, I would love to hear about them in the comment section. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye!